Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Legal Bee channel. The Airport Authority of India, that is AAI, has come out with a fresh recruitment notification for legal professionals, and this one's definitely worth your attention. They have announced vacancies for two legal posts, namely manager and junior executive. Junior executive being the junior most position, and the manager being the senior most. So, if you're a law graduate looking to build a career in a prestigious government organization like AAI, let's break uh, a few aspects of the notifications down, namely vacancies, application deadlines, and salary. Let's talk vacancies first. Like I said, there are two positions. One position is that of manager, and the other position is that of junior executive. If I talk about the manager position, it has two vacancies in total. That means the two vacancies are for the unreserved category. Junior executive have six vacancies in total, out of which five vacancies are for unreserved categories and one vacancy is for the SC category. Right now, an important point to note, the number of these vacancies is tentative and it can increase or decrease entirely at the discretion of AAI. So these numbers could change as we move closer to the selection process. Now, moving to the application deadlines, and this is something you really need to note down. The application window will be open from 8th of August 2026, and the last date to apply would be 7th of September 2026. So mark your calendars, set an alarm for this date, right? And if you fulfill the eligibility criteria for either of these positions, make sure you fill out um, the form well within time. So don't wait till the last moment. Let's talk about remuneration now because this is genuinely attractive. Along with your basic pay, you will also be eligible for various allowances. The approximate CTC, right, for a junior executive post would be 14 lakhs per annum. And for the post of manager, it would be around 21 lakhs per annum. That's a solid package, especially considering the stability and prestige that comes with working at a central government organization like Airport Authority of India. We are also hosting our free workshop where we decode the end-to-end preparation for AAI on 10th of August 2026 at 8 p.m. The registration links for the same is given in the description below. Make sure that you fill it in case you're planning to sit for this exam. You can also check out the AAI course of ixamBee, where we help you prepare for all stages, including interviews. So the link of the course is in the description below, along with the link of the official notification. If you're eligible, do not let this opportunity pass by. Mark your dates, get your documents ready, and apply well in time. If you found this video helpful, do like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.